Again, prepare after this bout. 16 to 17 years old juniors male Kumite minus 68 kilograms. Alcohol hide, akap, and lipot rounds out. Again, reminders, ang inyong gears dapat hindi malapas sa kitang ang body armor hindi gawas. Isulod siya dapat. Cadets and seniors dapat body armors or body protector inside sa inyong kimono. Again, cadets and seniors, inyong body armor guys sulod sa juniors, sulod sa inyong kimono. Also, reminders, gloves ninyo dapat standard na. Again, reminders, players and coaches, reminders sa inyong gloves na dapat standard. Okay. Next bout, 14 to 15 years old, male minus 50 kilogram. Referee John Carlo Aka from PCSKC. Verani Manjibel Al from PCSGS. Please stand by also Kabatingan Mark Xavier from PCSGS. Al and Pastukin Bernard Aka from PCSGS. Again, the girls mentioned categories for Tatami 1 proceed to staging area for Tatami 1. Again, for those mentioned categories for Tatami 1 proceed to staging area for Tatami 1. Please stand by to manage this one out from PCSGS.
Relax, happy na oras. Relax, relax. Relax. Oy, relax, relax.
Mupatid manggod siya good niya taas.
Bueno.